Hello, you beautiful people from all over the world. I am so happy to welcome you back to my channel. I am your friend, Carl Auditore. Thank you for joining me in another video. Today, I'm going to do an unboxing of my most recent purchase. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button and then activate all notifications like so. So whether you're a YouTuber or you did something amazing during your gameplay, let's face it, you're all amazing, so you all had, like these amazing experiences. If you want to record that, and if you do it frequently enough, eventually you will come to a point that you won't be able to record anymore because your storage capacity on your PlayStation is done, is full. And if you don't have the money to buy yourself a high capacity storage console, a 1 terabyte console, then you're going to be in trouble. I mean, you can always go into your PlayStation and delete the videos that you no longer use. But this is a bummer because sometimes you do amazing plays and for some reason you lose that footage and you want to go back to it, and now it's gone. You are not able to go back to it anymore. Now, the reason that I know this is because it has happened to me very recently. I did an amazing gameplay, and then when I went to the video recording function in my PlayStation, I realized that I was no longer able to record because the storage capacity was full. I was not able to do anything anymore. Now, the solution that I found for myself, and hopefully for you as well who are also running into this type of problems, was to go ahead and buy myself this little toy right here. This is a 6 terabyte external hard drive by Western Digital, a leading company in the industry. So if you come with me, we can go ahead and do the unboxing and then check its functionality in the computer. So bear with me and join me. So straight out of the box, you can see it's a really straightforward box, very simple, white color, mid-size, and it opens up on the upper part of it. So I'm just going to do a slight cut here and another one here, and I'm going to proceed to open it up. Okay, so before I review any of the components, I'm just going to basically empty the box. I'm going to take them all out of the box, place them in my table, and then I will be reviewing them one another. So we have like 3 elements, then we have this, which should be the quick setup guide, and the box is empty. So I'm just going to put it on the side and let's go right ahead. Okay, so this is the actual external hard drive. It comes protected by these 2 sort of pads, so to speak. So I'm just going to put them on the side and I'm just going to take out the external hard drive. It's protected by a plastic thin cover right here. It looks pretty straightforward to me. Black color, I like black color, so I'm just going to put it on the side and let's take a look at this, which is the quick setup guide. It's actually just a 3-step setup, and then the rest of it is just explanation of the warranty in many languages. And right here we have the AC adapter. I'm just going to put it out right here. Yeah, so the AC in one end, in this end right here, is going to connect into the external hard drive like so on the back of it, and then the other end is going to be connected to the power outlet. Now here we have the USB cable that is going to connect on both sides, one into the back of the external hard drive like so, and then the square part of the USB port is going to be connected into the computer or into your laptop or into your PlayStation. Okay, so that's it. Those are the only 3 components. So now I have connected all the elements, all the components into the external hard drive. I can see here, this is the USB end of the cable that is going to go into the laptop, and then we have the AC adapter that is going to go into the power outlet. So I'm going to take the square part of the USB port and I'm going to connect it right into the laptop. So I'm going to do this because don't forget to click on the on button on your external hard drive. So I'm going to do this because I'm a Mac user. So the first thing that is going to ask you is if you want to use this external hard drive to create a hard copy or a backup copy. So I'm just going to go right ahead and click into the site later because I don't want to do that right now. And then you're going to see your external hard drive right here. Now, if you open it up, if you click it, then you're going to see blank. And if you try to copy an image like I'm trying to do it right now, it's not going to let you. It's not going to let you because it is blocked for Mac, basically. So in order to unblock it, you have to go into the disk utility app right here. You click it, and then you're going to see your internal hard drives and your external hard drive. So I go right ahead and click into external. You're going to see all the elements, all the characteristics of your hard drive. You're going to click here into erase. Then you go to give the exFAT format, and you're going to click right here into erase. You let the machine do its thing. It's going to ask you again if you want to use the external hard drive to do a backup. I'm just going to decide later again because I don't want to do it right now. And you click OK, and you are good to go. You're ready to go. You're going to see the space available. And if you open your external hard drive again and you try to copy the file, then it's going to let you copy it. So that's it from my side. I hope you found this information helpful, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of issues did you have in terms of storage. And how did you solve them? Did you get an external hard drive, and if you did, which brand and what capacity? I'm looking forward to hear from you. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, this was Car Auditore saying hi to you from Mexico City. Take care of yourselves.